Hello, welcome back to Java Lessons with Evan. I'm your host, Evan Gonshore, and today we're going to be taking another look at some mathematical type stuff. This unit that we're doing has to do a lot with numbers, so I realize it might not be the most exciting, but it's kind of building a foundation for what we need to do. So from last time, we have the import java.util.scanner, and we're going to leave that. And then we're going to import space. So this is typed at the very top of the program, Java. And again, you can see this on YouTube or go back, check out some of the older lessons. It's going to be java.text.number format. And that's what we're going to be looking into today. And I realize, again, that these are not as exciting as some of the stuff that we've done in the past, but I think it's good that we started with some exciting stuff. But I hope to mix in maybe a couple magic tricks that I wanted to do, and maybe we'll do one after this unit, since I know it's not the most exciting. But anyway, we have our public class. We need a test, curly bracket, and then the usual public static void main string args. You can Google that or just, again, look at the YouTube video. But basically, what we're going to do is create two number format declarations. So we're going to delete what we had, excuse me, in here last time. So it'll be number format, and this will be for currency. So we'll call it currency equals number format that get currency instance, and get is the only one with the first letter lowercase, the other ones have first letter uppercase, and then all the rest is lowercase. Then open parenthesis, close parenthesis, just it's a formatting thing, and then semicolon. And number format has capital N, capital F for those of you listening in. And then we're also going to demonstrate number format percent. So we're going to show the percent indicator. So it'll be number format dot get percent instance, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, same with the capital letters. The only lowercase is the only lowercase first letter is the G in get. So we have these. We need to create our new scanner object. So scanner, we'll call it Scanny since I like that. It doesn't matter what you call it. Scanner does have a capital S. Scanner, Scanny equals new equals sign, word new, scanner. And again, if you ever have any questions, you can go to the Evan Gonshore YouTube channel, system.in. Okay, and then what we're gonna have this do is, so we're just gonna keep it real simple. We're gonna system dot out dot print enter a price, and enter a price is in double quotes with a colon, and then we'll end that with another double quote, put a space in between the colon and the quote for formatting, close the parenthesis, end it with a semicolon. I just realized we forgot to declare. So what we want to do is, so we'll just create two doubles. So at the top, in underneath the public static void main, we'll type the word double, as in like stunt double, and we will type in price, space, price, comma, space. When I say space, I'm meaning hit the space bar. Double price, comma, PRC, so we'll call it per, nah, maybe we should just call it percentage, so it doesn't get confusing. And then we'll end that line with a semicolon, as is good practice. And now we can go back underneath that print statement and say that our price is going to be equal to scanny dot next double, where double is capitalized, and then open parenthesis, close parenthesis, semicolon, just for formatting to make the Java compiler happy. Then we have system dot out dot print. We'll say enter a decimal. I think I spelled enter wrong. That is okay, because nobody's perfect. Oops, we do need a colon there. I will leave my mistake in there just for fun. You can correct it if you'd like, if you're typing this along with me. So our percentage then on the next line will be equal to scanny dot next double, sorry. Just having a little fun there. Okay. And basically what I'm gonna have it do now is just demonstrate. So system dot out dot print ln. We're gonna have it demonstrate the price. So put price in quotes with a space, and then plus, it's going to be the currency formatter, so you type currency, and the plus is a plus sign, dot format, format, parenthesis, and then we want our variable price in those parentheses, and then another parenthesis to close out the print, and then we will do another final system.out.print ln to demonstrate the percent formatting. So percent in quotes, just so the user knows what it is. Although we probably didn't really need that. Shoot, a little bit of a waste of time. But anyway, percent dot format, and then percentage in, that's the double that we read in interactively. Make sure you close out both parentheses, and hopefully if we compile this we won't have any issues. Yes, and we don't. And then if we hit run, we're going to enter a price, so we'll say $5.50, and then we'll enter a decimal that we want to be converted. I would say 0.98, so we get a nice 98%. So if we hit enter, you can see what Java does is it takes the 550 that we entered uh, and puts a $sign in front of it. But basically this, you can do more complicated calculations and then have it output it nicely. And for the percent, it takes 0.98, makes it a 98, and then adds a percent at the end of it. And again, you can see that on the Evan Gonshore YouTube channel. But just appreciate you being here, appreciate you watching, hoping you're continuing to learn something and enjoy. Please feel free to leave me feedback either on the podcast or the YouTube channel. And hopefully, we will have another lesson again here for you soon. Thank you again for your support.